From this majestic setting, we take ourselves out of the usual routines of daily living to witness a special moment in the lives of John and Emily. Today, they join their lives in the union of marriage.
John, you've added so much to our family, but more importantly, you've given my sister a life that has allowed her to grow and feel supported, no matter what obstacles, challenges, or pandemics are thrown your way.
I don't know if I could have envisioned a better half for my brother.
Here's to the past and all that you've learned. Here's to the present and all that you share. And here's to your future and all that you have to look forward to together.